Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to see acids, bases and salts. The topic is chemical properties of acids. So there are 7 properties of acids we are going to see. So what are those 7 properties? So first one, reaction with active metals. So we have seen in previous video lessons. So what is meant by most reactive metals and medium reactive metals and less reactive metals. See, according to the reactivity of the metals, so the property of the acids with metals will vary, and we need to understand each and everything, how they vary and what are the various different products formed, everything. And the second property is reaction with bases. See, already we have learned this is called neutralization reaction. So when any acid reacts with a base, what is formed? A salt and water are formed. So this type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. How these acids react with bases, we will be learning in detail. So here generally, so in this chapter, acids, we will be learning about mineral acids only. So what are the mineral acids? Hydrochloric acid. So what's the formula of hydrochloric acid? HCl. And the other mineral acid is nitric acid, HNO3. And the other mineral acid is sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. So we will be learning about the properties of these 3 mineral acids only. So we are not going to take any other even mineral acids also. Phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid. Even in sulfuric acid there is another acid called sulfurous acid. There are so many things are there. But we are going to deal with only these 3 acids as an example. Okay, the third property is acid plus carbonate or acid plus bicarbonate. So these 3 acids, how they react with metal carbonates. So metal carbonates means what? Sodium carbonate. So what is sodium carbonate? Na2CO3. So like this, carbonate can react with any metal and form the carbonate salt, the corresponding or respective carbonate salt. And sodium reacts with bicarbonate, forms sodium bicarbonate. How these 3 acids, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, they react with metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates. So not only sodium, even other metal carbonates and other metal bicarbonates also we can take. Okay, so 3 reactions we have seen already. How acids react with active metals, and second one, how acids react with bases, and third one, how acids will react with carbonates and bicarbonates, and fourth one is acid plus metal sulfate and metal bisulfate. Again, any one of these 3 acids we will take and study its properties with metal sulfate. What is metal sulfate? For example, you take calcium sulfate, CaSO3. Then what is calcium bisulfate? CaHSO3 twice, because bisulfate valency is 1, calcium valency is 2. That is why we are getting CaHSO3 twice. Whereas in calcium sulfate, calcium valency is 2, sulfate valency is also 2. Therefore we get CaSO3. See, all these things we should know. Symbols and valencies right from beginning I am telling you, and each and everything whenever we get a chance I am explaining again and again also. Okay, so fifth property is acid plus metal sulfides. Okay, see, for example, zinc sulfide you take, zinc sulfide, this is metal sulfide, zinc valency is 2, sulfide valency is also 2, therefore ZnS. How these 3 acids will react with zinc sulfide? Okay, so that's what we are going to see in detail. Okay, then sixth one, acid plus metal chloride. So what is metal chloride? Any metal can react with chlorine, forms metal chloride. Sodium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, anything, ammonium chloride. Okay, all these things, how acids will react with these chloride salts. So what are the acids we will be taking? These 3 mineral acids only. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. How they react with chloride salts. And then last one, 7th property is acid plus metal nitrates. How do these 3 acids react with metal nitrates? So what are metal nitrates? For example, lead nitrate. So lead Pb, nitrate is NO3. So valency of lead is 2, nitrate valency is 1. Therefore if we interchange we get lead nitrate. Like this, each and every metal can form their respective or corresponding metal nitrate. We should be able to get the correct formula, and we should learn how these acids react with them. So now we can go and see each and every reaction, every type separately in separate videos. Hope you understood this now. So what are the 7 chemical properties of the acids, what we are going to learn, and the basic idea about the formula of all these things, we have got it. So the very basic thing is you should know the symbols and valencies, and using them how we can write the formula of the compound. That you should know very well. Only then we can learn all the equations effortlessly. And learning okay, hope you liked it, the very introduction of chemical properties of the acids. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Until we meet next time, bye bye.